A very glorious good afternoon to respected victims and co-commentators and who are presented here. A very good afternoon to one and all. Let me introduce myself. I am Samrajya from Helapuri Institute of Technology and Science. Now, I want to discuss a few words why we gathered here. We are gathered here to discuss about energy conservation to create awareness for future generations. So now we are going to discuss about energy conservation. First, we have to know what is energy and where we are getting from energy and who invented energy and who was thought there are energy sources or uses. So first we have to know energy. Energy is neither to be created and nor be destroyed. And in energy there are types of there are renewable sources and non-renewable sources. And renewable sources. The renewable sources are also known as, and when we are using in our daily life, they can be getting daily and there has no end of lifespan for renewable sources. They are solar, wind, thermal, hydro, biomass and tidal energy. And these are the types of renewable energy sources. And in solar energy we are getting from sun and by using solar panels. For using this energy, solar energy does not produce carbon dioxide. By using this solar energy, there are one of the disadvantages with the weather conditions. So to cover these disadvantages in solar energy, we are using wind energy without any restrictions with the weather problem also. By using this wind energy, there is no problem for the atmosphere and the water to air also without any pollution or disturbances. By using this wind energy, we can produce electricity by air. In India, there is only some places these fans are using because of they are kept there for more airflow in their places. This is geothermal energy. This gets from earth. And as non-renewable sources, these sources have expanded from the earth. They are petroleum, coal, uranium. These sources getting from earth for our uses. We are using more hourly getting from earth. To reduce this problem for vehicles, we want to use CNG and LPM gases to reduce smoke, sound, pollution, etc. By using this, we can save these non-renewable sources and earth for our future generations to show we have the disadvantages. And difference between renewable and non-renewable sources is there is a global warming and non-global warming process. So to avoid global warming, we want to use renewable sources only. And how to conserve the sources? Now we are using oils and fuels morely, so to avoid the problems we want to use CNG and the improve plantation for to avoid global warming. And energy conservation in India. First we have to know the energy conservation where we started and when we started. And December 14 we are celebrating the Energy Conservation Day, and it was started since 1991 by the BEE, Bureau of Energy Efficiency Power of India. What we can do and what we can do to improve the energy conservation to our future generations, to use, recycle and replace. Now we all know that this VRS now for awareness, for we are studying as engineering students. Now in future generations the AI technology and IoT is developing. So the future generation will talk about 3DS. So this 3DS is known from decarbonization and decentralization and digitalization. Decarbonization means to reduce the carbon dioxide. And decentralization means to use power not morely. And digitalization. By use digitalization, we can reduce the deforestation by using terrace gardens with the sensors and technology systems. And the 3RS, now we are talking. So we want to tell the 3Ds to our future generations by knowing the awareness and creating the awareness. Moreover, we want to create awareness by conducting classes like engineering colleges and to develop moreover engineering students because they are the future generator to develop us the energy conservation morely. So let's save together. So now we are all gathered here for the We are all gathered here to talk about energy conservation morely. Now we are all talking 3Rs: reduce, reuse, recycle, and to develop the energy conservation systems and by using technologies and science to create more awareness on TDS. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
In 3R, what are the first reduce? What we have to reduce?
We have to reduce the energy what we have, sir.
Okay. And reuse?
Sir, reuse means what we are taking from the naturally, we want to reuse without wasting.
And recycle?
We are taking reuse, sir, and we want to recycle without waste any products like from what we are getting from earth, like soil, water, and